not all that much bigger than a bee. It's the smallest bird in the world, a male bee hummingbird, looking for a mate and dressed to impress. But this female's busy. She's caring for 2 chicks, just hatched from eggs the size of coffee beans into a home the size of an espresso cup. In 4 days, they'll double in size on a diet of insects and nectar. Providing all this food is a mammoth task. Hummingbirds burn energy faster than any other animal, so she must visit hundreds of flowers a day. And while she feeds, the nest is unprotected. Even a single ant is a threat. And as more swarm in, the chicks are in serious danger. Just in time. She's back to save the day. Raindrops hit like bombs. The mother hummingbird does all she can to shelter her chicks. But the storm is so overwhelming, there's no choice but to abandon her nest. The hummingbird's chicks have been swept away.